Data visualization converts raw data into visual representations like charts. It helps us quickly grasp complex information, identify trends, and make informed decisions. A good visualization is clear, accurate, and insightful.
It effectively communicates its message without distortion, using appropriate plot types, and is easily understood by the audience. Simplicity and relevance are key. Now, for a practical illustration. Using Python. Well, simulate some basic data, perhaps sales over time. Then, well, create fundamental plots. A line chart to show trends, or a bar chart to compare categories, showcasing these principles in action.
Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. Its primary goal is to communicate information clearly and efficiently to users, making complex datasets more digestible and insightful.
A good visualization plot possesses several key characteristics. It must be clear, and easy to understand at a glance. Accurate in representing the data without distortion. An effective in communicating its intended message. Furthermore, it should aim for simplicity, avoiding unnecessary clutter, and be informative by including appropriate titles, labels, and legends to provide essential context for interpretation.
The provided Python code first simulates various types of data using NumPy and organizes them into pandas data frames. This includes a set of x, y points showing a linear relationship with noise, a time series dataset with a sinusoidal trend, categorical data representing counts, and a numerical dataset following a normal distribution. These datasets are designed to be simple yet representative of common data types encountered in real-world scenarios, making them suitable for illustrating basic plot types.
As you can see in the generated figure, each subplot effectively conveys a different aspect of the simulated data. The scatter plot clearly shows a positive correlation between x and y, while the line plot distinctly illustrates the sinusoidal pattern in the time series data. The bar plot allows for straightforward comparison of counts across different categories. And the histogram visually depicts the bell-shaped distribution of the numerical data, demonstrating its central tendency in spread. These plots, with their clear labels and informative titles, exemplify the characteristics of good data visualization.